Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, and also holding above a key area of support at around the $1 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we are seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area that I was able to come up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $1.0867 mark and the $1.0723 mark, and there are high chances that you have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, since you have managed to get into the minimum retracement area, and very soon I'm expecting the start of that massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to sketch out my target areas in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after seeing this breakdown in the formation of this wave 2 of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow, and in a breakdown that bottomed out within this red target area, which was the minimum retracement area, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side, having a 5 wave structure to the upside, giving us the high for that first wave to the upper side. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area within this blue target area. And having seen the low for this second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3 also, I also expected to see another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3. And here on the charts, you can now see that I have this Elliot wave structure in white, where we have now peaked in that first wave. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and I now believe that soon we are going to start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3. And if that is the case, and assuming that Polygon Matic is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, we can sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.264 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize our larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And in case the breakdown continues here on the Polygon Matic chart, we also need to be prepared in terms of our target areas, and using the Fibonacci's once more, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, we can extend our target area to the lower side to accommodate further breakdown back to the fib level 0.78, which is still a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, and that lies at around the $1.0525 mark. So in case the breakdown continues, then we need to watch the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, because as long as we are holding within that target area, then there are high chances that soon we are going to bottom out, see a reaction of the target area, and start an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 to give us a high in that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue seeing that wave 5 to the upper side in the formation to complete an even larger edge wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, though we are yet to see an increase in the buying momentum to suggest even higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.